Hi, my name is Goodluck. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to simplify the exponential expression given to us. Let's get the solution. Now, the first thing we do in this is that we are going to, first of all, express each term as a product of their factor. So, if we do that, our expressions will become 2 times 5 all raised to the power of 3n divided by 2 multiplied by 3 times 5 all raised to the power of n divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times 3 all raised to the power of n divided by 6. So everything will be divided by 5 times 9 all raised to the power of n divided by 3 times 4 times 5 all raised to the power of 2n divided by 3. Now we have been able to express all our expressions as a product of their factor. So now we will now be able to bring about one of our laws known as the product power law. The product power law says that if I have a multiplied by b all raised to the power of n, this will be equal to a raised to the power of n times b raised to the power of n. So this is the product power law. So we can apply this law in our exponential expression. So if we do that, we come to achieve that this will be written as 2 raised to the power of 3n divided by 2 times 5 raised to the power of 3n divided by 2 times 3 raised to the power of n divided by 2 times 5 raised to the power of n divided by 2 times 2 raised to the power of n divided by 6 times 3 raised to the power of n divided by 6. Also, we do the same to our denominator. So we arrive at 5 raised to the power of n divided by 3 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of n divided by 3 times we have 4 raised to the power of 2n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2n divided by 3. So we have been able to express our expressions using a product power law. And now what do? We group each term that have the same base, and we will now use the multiplication law to add their powers. Remember, we want to simplify the exponential expression. So let's group each term together. Grouping each term, we will arrive at 2 raised to the power of 3n divided by 2 times, again I have 2 again, and my numerator I will have 2 raised to the power of n divided by 6 times I will have 3 raised to the power of n divided by 2 times 3 raised to the power of n divided by 6 times 5 raised to the power of n divided by 2 times 5 raised to the power of 3n divided by 2. So the same thing also will be done in our denominator. Thus, for our denominator, I will have that 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2n divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 9 all raised to the power of n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2n divided by 3. Now, we have been able to express and we have been able to group these terms together based on their basis. So at this point, we are going to apply the multiplication law of indices so that we can be able to add their powers. So applying the multiplication law of indices, I will arrive at my expression giving me 2 raised to the power 3n divided by 2 plus n divided by 6 times 3 raised to the power n divided by 2 plus n divided by 6 times 5 raised to the power of n divided by 2 plus 3n divided by 2. The same will be applied to the denominator. So we arrive at 2 raised to the power of 4n divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of n divided by 3 plus 2n divided by 3. So now we have been able to use our multiplication law to add their indices. So if we apply our LCM on each of the base, we will arrive at 2 raised to the power 10n divided by 6 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4n divided by 6 times 5 raised to the power of 4n divided by 2. Everything also will be applied on the denominator. So we have that 2 raised to the power 4n divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of 3n divided by 3. Now, at this point, we are going to make it easy for ourselves since we have like bases on the numerator and denominator, so we can be able to apply the division law. If we apply the division law, our expression becomes 2 raised to the power 10n divided by 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of negative 4n divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of 4n divided by 6 multiplied by 3 raised to the power negative 2n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of 4n divided by 2 times 5 raised to the power of negative 3n divided by 3. So what we did is that we just applied the laws of division using, and we are able to arrive at this expression. Now we also have to know that when the expressions are written like this, we cannot be able to apply our multiplication law by adding their powers. So our expression continues as this: 2 raised to the power of 10n divided by 6 minus 4n divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of 4n divided by 6 minus 2n divided by 3 times 5 raised to the power of 4n divided by 2 minus 3n divided by 3. So at this point, we have been able to apply our multiplication law of indices. Now it's time for us to simplify the index or the power of each base. So upon simplification, we will arrive at 2 raised to the power of 10n minus 8n divided by 6 times 3 raised to the power of 4n minus 4n divided by 6 times 5 raised to the power of 12n minus 6n divided by 6. So if we simplify further, we arrive at 2 raised to the power of 2n divided by 6 times 3 raised to the power of 0 divided by 6 times 5 raised to the power of 6n divided by 6. Now, if we simplify our index, 2 divided itself is 1, 2 divided by 6 is 3, 0 divided by 6 will give us a value of 0, 6 divided itself is 1, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So therefore our expression becomes 2 raised to the power of n divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of 0 times 5 raised to the power of 1. We know that from our 0 law that a raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So therefore 3 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Hence our solution becomes 2 raised to the power of n divided by 3 times 1 times 5. So therefore we arrive at 2 raised to the power of n divided by 3 times 5. That is our answer for the expression of the exponential given to us. You see, it's very simple. You don't need to panic when they give you a problem using lots of indices. Just make sure that you apply the right law at the right time and you will arrive at the answer. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification button so that we'll post new videos, you will be aware of it. And also like the video and drop a comment. If you have any question, I'm going to answer your question. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.